Welcome everyone, we have arrived at our hotel. In this video, this is what you'll get to see. Remember to stick to the end of the video where we'll share with you our pros and cons about this hotel. Now, the room tour. Behind you is the main door that you step into, and as you can see, it's a huge room. But we will check out the bathroom first right here. Ta-da! This is the bathroom. Well, toilet. Your toilet rolls are here. Let's see what they provide. Shampoo, as well as shower gel. A soap bar. Here we go with the shower cap. Cotton buds. Big sink. Yes. Hair dryer on the wall. And your shower area. What do we get here? A standing shower. Yes. Standing shower. Good. A basic bathroom. And let's step out and look at this area here. Do we have hangers? Yes, we do. You gotta follow me and look right there. There are your hangers. There's an umbrella. It's monsoon season right now. That may come in handy. You have a safe, some drawers, towels, and this is quite a huge fridge for a hotel. Oh, look. Even have a what's this freezer area that looks like the North Pole? Oh well. Well, it's working. It shows that it works. It's working. We have more drawers here, and let's see what we have. Cupboards. They provide. This should be complimentary. Bottled drinking water, complimentary. Glasses, mugs, coffee, tea, sugar, kettle. We know that we always need a good kettle. Yes. Underneath, that's your rubbish bin, a TV, and TV remote right here. Do we have, let's see if we have a menu. Oh, they show you that they have a theater, an audition space, bistro, asking you to save energy. There you go. That's the room service menu. Can you see it? Is it clear? Yes. Let's put it here. Let's take a look at it here. There we go. Let's see how many pages of this. It's pretty good, actually. Pretty extensive, isn't it? Drink list. You have some cocktails and coffee and tea. Well, a coffee would be about $4 Singapore dollars for 100 baht. Nice little sitting nook. We can have our meals here. Yes. Let's look at that area. Do you think this light switches on? Let's try this. Okay. So this is what we have. With the bedside light. Some switches here. You have your phone hanging here on the bed. What do you call this? Headboard. Yes, the bed headboard. That's how the sockets look like. In case you're curious. The 3-pin plug. Let's do a bit test. Shall we? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh, nice. Okay, I like bits that are soft but firm. And this is exactly how that feels like. It's going to be a good night's sleep today. All right, let's see behind you now. Follow me. Ta-da! We arrived here at night. Now, you may not... A small balcony. You may not really get to see it well right now. It's quite big. I would consider this huge, right? Isn't this huge? You can lunge. So it's kind of huge. Oh, fresh air. And we are here right now in July. It's not too hot. It's monsoon season. Okay. A chillin' at the balcony to this view. Not much of a view, but let's see how this looks like in the morning. Okay? All right, let's come back into the room. Big space. Coffee is a must. There you go, that's the gym. With all the machines, your treadmill, you even have a spin bike right at the far end there, looking at the view of the pool. Huge mirror. And these bars in front of the mirror, maybe it's good for stretching, doing your stretching. Your free weights are over there, you have your bench, and a couple of machines here. Yep, these are the machines available. Let's take a look at the one at the back. There you go, you have a cable machine right there. There are two separate buildings at this hotel. This is building 2. right next to the pool right here, the other building, this is building 1. We're staying in a room at building 1, so we do have to walk past the pool, up this slope. At the end of the slope, we do a right turn to the elevator, and we're staying on the 3rd floor. This is considered the 2nd floor. We go past this little corridor here to the very end. Take a left turn and you'll be able to see the elevators in the front. Yep, that's the one. So we're staying on the 3rd floor at 1307. That's gonna be our room. So here we go. Open sesame. 1307. Down the corridor, take a right, and we're the first room right here. 1307. Now we're going to share our pros and cons about staying this place. We stayed here for 2 nights. Okay, I'll start first. Yeah. I think that, well, the positives would be it's a large room. It's pretty huge. It's got a lot of space to open up your luggage, to walk around in the room. You don't feel so claustrophobic. And it's quite clean. Yeah, that's a positive. It's affordable and it's clean. But my cons will be that it's a little old and worn. You can see that a couple of things could help with a little bit of fixing, like the doors to the washroom. Some parts of the wood is chipped. The shower head looks a little bit worn. So if you're looking for a hotel that's more modern, this is not the one. That would be the negative. What about you?
I think for me, I mean, the negatives you pointed out probably makes sense because it's not an expensive place to stay here. I think it's about $70 a night.
We paid like 70
Yeah.
Sing dollars a night.
So I think if it's for a quick stay or if you're just using this as a basic lodging and then you're, 90% of the time you're out, then I think this will be a good place.
Yes.
I mean, the pros are, it's definitely the price.
The price. It's affordable. What about the cons for you?
Cons, I think the major concern is the flushing system. It's very old. So we had 2 instances of the toilet bowl jamming up, and it's not
Okay, we don't need to share that.
No details. It's just jammed up, and it's not a pleasant experience.
Not pleasant.
So that's one of the cons.
Old system.
Yeah.
Oh well. Yeah. So that's what we share. Would you stay at this place again?
Not for me because I tend to like a resort kind of a place because we're not traveling out most of the time, especially if we're in Phuket.
True. In Phuket, I wouldn't choose to stay here again. One experience is enough. But yeah, there's the good news about Phuket is there's so many other hotels which we're gonna try and we'll show it to you in our next hotel review.